Alright, so step one, you're going to take all the guys off. You can just grab them, pull them straight off. Then you're going to need a 10mm socket. Stick it on there, get it seated nice, and then start cranking. Alright, don't try and pull these out because those are hardwired in, but you don't really need to. I've just taken out all of the screws, and now we're gonna see if we can, oh shit, don't bend those, but try and evenly get the board through. I'm gonna have to put the camera down. Okay, we got it. Now we can get to the points where it's connected. Alright, I've just cut the connection into 3 pieces so that when I am applying heat to one side, I can use the pliers to pull it out the other. Alright, the pins are out. And they are incredibly small, especially compared to the replacement that I bought. Which is going to lead to some problems. So I might need another one. Okay, we've got the right part. You need to get the exact one so that the pins match the original A500K Alpha. Wow. All right, now that we've got the right part, I'm just gonna heat up these dudes. I hope we're gonna be able to get all 3 in at the same time. I'm not quite sure how that's gonna work, to be honest. All right, I somehow managed to get all 3 of them in just by heating it up, pushing it in, doing the next one. So I'm just gonna do that 3 more times. All right, so I'm not gonna lie, getting that in was a huge pain in the ass, and it's still not completely level compared to the other ones, but I essentially had to heat them all up, and I stuck this one in first, right? And then these 2, I kind of like went back and forth like that, and then got that middle one in, and then that one, and then I had to like drag it across. You could maybe try and rig like a tinfoil piece, or I mean, hopefully if you have a better soldering iron or soldering iron, however the fuck you say it, you've got like a 3-prong attachment or something. But it was not easy to get in with just this, but I think it's level enough that we'll be able to slot it back in. We'll see. All right, now we've got to pop the board back into place, which is kind of annoying because especially this thick wire gets in the way, but just gotta finagle it. Okay, everything is fitting more or less. This guy is a lot taller than the rest, it seems, and that might look a little weird. I don't know. What can you do? Okay, everything is back together. Double check your wiring to your photos that you hopefully took ahead of time. Let's fire her up. Okay, upon starting it up, it gave me a terrifying crackle, but it slowly went away, and now the never before used top boost channel works just fine. Huzzah. So I've just cut, motherfucker, dude.